Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone 13 is up to date because action mode relies on system stabilization improvements. Once done, open the camera app and make sure you're in photo or video as a base. This primes the interface for mode selection. Next, tap the chevrons at the top or the arrow above the shutter so the mode drawer appears. This gets you into the controls quickly and ensures action mode is visible without extra navigation steps. You now swipe the mode strip left or right until you see action mode. It's listed with a running person icon. Tap action to enable the aggressive electronic stabilization that reduces shake for moving subjects. This is why you use it versus standard video. Make sure the indicator confirms activation, then press the red record button. While recording, move with the subject smoothly. Action mode works best when you avoid sudden jerks to allow the software to compensate. You finish by stopping the recording and immediately review the clip in photos to confirm stabilization results. If you notice clipping or residual jitter, try again with steadier, more consistent movement because action mode algorithms expect smooth motion to interpolate frames. If action mode is missing or behaves oddly, restart the camera app or power cycle your iPhone. Make sure iOS is current. This simple restart often resolves mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.